Hi everyone, welcome to Grad 5102. So I'm Mary Jetter. Please call me Mary if you are comfortable doing so. And I'll be your instructor for this course this semester. The purpose of this video is to introduce you how to use the Canvas site so that you understand how it's set up and so that it can be the most useful for you. So when you log in, this is what you'll see. First thing is the syllabus. Please take some time to read this. It's very important as it tells you really everything you need to know about the class. You can see here that our class is a blended class. So we will be meeting in person for the workshop on Mondays or the lecture on Mondays. Most days we'll be meeting in Brunings Hall. So you can see that there, 512A. We will have a few asynchronous lecture or workshop classes. Our language labs will be set up on Zoom, so you'll be able to access that. We will be doing 4 micro teachings or 4 practice test teachings during the semester. For those, if possible, I'd like to be able to do those in person, but we'll talk about that in the lab groups and see what everyone's comfort level is. And then finally is the final exam, which is basically another 10-minute teaching performance. So you can see materials. Everything that you need for this class is on the Canvas site, so there is nothing you need to purchase. Just a couple of things to point out. How do you get the most out of this course? How can you be the most successful? First, make sure you're coming to class, be either virtually or face-to-face. Participate as much as you can. Don't worry about making mistakes. And then also preparing, making sure that you do the pre-class assignments so that you're ready to participate in class. And of course, as you know, we all need to be wearing masks when we are on campus together. If you scroll down, you'll see the course policies that I have. You'll see the university policies and our course calendar. So please check that out, read it if you have any questions. When we meet face-to-face for the first time, that's when we'll be talking more about it, and you can ask questions then, or if you have questions now, feel free to email me. Here's the lecture materials. So when you click on that, it's just a Google Doc with just all of the materials that you'll need. Same thing with lab materials and then additional resources. For each week, you'll be able to click on the week there, so you can see I have weeks 1 and 2 ready for you to look at. For each week, we'll talk about what to expect. So what are we going to be doing? You'll have the lecture assignments and then the lab assignments. So your first assignments for the lecture, which will meet on September 13th, I think. I can't remember the date right now. I would like you to record your name in the name coach over here. I'd like you to complete your Canvas profile. So when I click on account, I can learn a little bit more about you. And then there's a discussion board assignment. All assignments are going to be due at 9 a.m. on the day of your class. So lecture assignments will always be due at 9 a.m. on Mondays. Lab assignments will be due at 9 a.m. on Tuesdays if you're in a Tuesday lab, and 9 a.m. Wednesday if you're in a Wednesday lab. But this is how all of the pages are going to be set up. I will be communicating using the announcement feature, so make sure that you have announcements enabled. That's how I will send out general announcements to the whole class. If you have questions for me, the best way to contact me is just to email me directly, because I don't always remember to check the Canvas inbox over here. And then you'll see your to-do list over here with dates. Remember though that, so for example, this says September 22nd, but it's actually September 21st for those of you who are in Tuesday lab. So just remember that, that lab assignments are due on the day of your lab. But you can see that, so the rest of the semester is laid out here, and I'll just be adding things week by week as we go. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm really looking forward to getting back into the classroom and seeing everybody. And so with that, I hope to see you soon.